In this module, we will review the function of the script repository. The script repository enables users to upload custom scripts to endcentral or endsite. Search, filter, and run scripts on demand to a specific endpoint, and review the output from the assets view. Create scripts in PowerShell, PowerShell Core, Shell, Python, or Bash, and upload them to the repository. Scripts must not exceed 1 megabyte, and may not include executable or installable content. Script parameters may include the following variable types: text, Boolean, integer, floating point, datetime, and password as an input variable only. To access the script repository, log in with SSO and ensure that Ecoverse permissions for scripting are set to manage. Enable does not review or verify the accuracy of custom scripts added by an organization. Enable recommends testing scripts in a non-production environment before running them on critical endpoints.